Mari.
I'm Hannah.
And we are
Journey with the Gingers.
And we want to say happy 50th birthday, Marsha.
Marsha's 50?
Yeah, I can't believe it either.
She doesn't look a day over 30.
No way. She looks awesome. And we just hope you have the best birthday ever. And we love you.
We love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Hey Marsha, just want to jump on here and wish you a very happy birthday, and hopefully Kurt will spoil you with many goodies and hopefully a cruise. Happy birthday, Marsha.
I'm Cheryl.
And I'm Jeremy.
JNS Adventures.
And cruising is fun anytime.
And somebody is having a birthday.
Yeah, a 50th birthday.
So let's sing it.
Happy birthday to you.
You.
Happy birthday to you.
You.
Happy birthday, dear Marsha.
Happy
birthday to you.
Hi, this is Wanda from Cruising for Food, and I'd like to wish a very happy nifty 50 birthday to Marsha of CME Traveling. Happy birthday!
Good morning, Miss Marsha. Hey, on your very special day today, whether you be at home with your feet propped up with Mr. Kurt pampering you, I don't know, maybe you're at work today, or maybe you're just flying down the highway in a makeshift Model TA. I hope you keep on moving, and keep on grooving, and have a great happy birthday.
Hey, Marsha, I hear it's your birthday, and I just want to say happy birthday from the Norwegian Breakaway on board the Vloggers Extravaganza. Enjoy your 50th. I'll see you real soon when you come down to Florida. We'll go out, we'll grab lunch, we'll grab drinks, but I just wanted to say happy birthday from your favorite pineapple guy. Enjoy it, Marsha.
Captain Billy J from Captain Billy J Travels, here to wish the majestic, magnificent, magnetic Marsha a very happy 50th birthday. 50 years, wow, that is a great milestone, Marsha. Probably feels like 100 years after living with Kurt for so long. But anyways, I hope you have a great birthday. Enjoy, make it magical.
Hey, I'm Ronnie.
And I'm Alma.
And life is good today. Woo! Want to wish you a very happy birthday, Marsha. Woo!
Happy birthday to you. Happy 50th birthday, Marsha. It's your two favorite beaches here. Happy birthday. Have the best day ever. Happy 50th.
Hey guys, Ford Man here. Today I wanted to make this video and dedicate it to Marsha from See Me Traveling and wish her a happy, blessed 50th birthday. I hope you have the best 50th birthday of your life, and I look forward to getting to meet you and Kurt on a cruise someday or somewhere, YouTube world or meetups or somewhere. And but anyway, happy 50th blessed birthday, Marsha. God bless. Love y'all. Bye.
Hello, Marsha.
This is Tom and Terry, and we are TNT's
Adventures to Sea. And we stopped by just to say happy birthday to you. To you. Are you ready?
See.
1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Marsha. Happy birthday to you. Yeah, man, we stopped by to say happy 50th birthday.
Cheers.
Love you.
And Slanjay.
Aye. Oh, yeah.
Happy birthday.
Love you guys.
Hey guys, this is Tony.
I'm Crystal. I'm Madison. I'm William.
I'm Aaron. And we just wanted to say happy 50th birthday, Marsha.
Happy 50th birthday, Marsha.
Hey, Marsha, happy birthday from Roslyn.
Wow, happy birthday, Marsha, from Raymond.
We love y'all. And I hope you get to go on the beach and do all the nice things and get catered to and just have so much fun on your birthday.
Take a shot for me.
Oh, yeah, definitely take a shot for us. We love you. Bye.
Yo, yo, yo. Brooklyn in the house. This is Eddie Lugo Studios.
And Alice.
Wishing Marsha
a very happy birthday.
Felicidades
to you.
Ba-da-bum, ba-da-bum.
Hello, Marsha. It's me, Travis, from Traveling with Travis. I am here on the Carnival Elation, but I wanted to stop in and wish you a very, very happy birthday. I know half a century is no small feat, and you did it gracefully and beautifully. So have a slice of cake and an extra drink for me, and we'll talk soon.
Happy 50th birthday, Marsha.
From Ricky
And Mike.
at Clock Family Adventures.
Hi, Marsha.
Hi, Marsha.
And Tracy with Travel Bus, wanting to wish you a
Happy birthday.
happy 50th birthday.
Oh, yeah. Welcome to the fun side.
Yes.
Only cool people are 50. Enjoy your day.
Yes, enjoy your day.
Happy 50th birthday, Marsha. Hope you have a great one.
Hey, Marsha, happy 50th birthday. Let me tell you, that is an accomplishment in this day and age. And you know what? I'm actually looking forward to my 50th too. So I definitely appreciate you turning 50. Myself, I'll be 50 next month. But this is all about you. I hope you have an exceptional 50th birthday. And I hope your 50th year is your very best year of all of them. And so that's it. And Sadie wanted to hop up here and say happy birthday. High five for Marsha. Happy birthday. 5 paws. 5 paws. There it is. So Sadie wishes you a happy birthday as well. We'll see you later.
This is Kelly and Tammy's Journey, wanting to wish Miss Marsha a happy 50th birthday.
Happy birthday, Marsha, from the Lovelace family and Lovey's Fat Life. We hope you have a great 29th birthday and many, many more. Happy birthday. Drink one for me, or 2 or 3.
Well, this is Bruce.
And this is Cindy.
From Ocean to Ocean Travel. If I had a wish, that wish would be a happy, happy birthday to you from me. Happy birthday, 50th, Marsha.
Happy 50th birthday, Marsha!
Hey, Marsha, this is your besties, Felicia.
And adopted.
And
adopted daughter.
And we want to wish you a very,
Very,
very
very
happy birthday.
happy birthday.
Hey, Marsha. I hope you're having the best day and that Curtis is spoiling you so much. I just wanted to wish you a happy birthday. Love you, bye.
Wishing you a very happy birthday, my love. I love you.
Thank you for watching our channel. Be sure to subscribe and hit the like button.